Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to create an Add Yours template on Instagram. First, open Instagram on your phone. Once you are on the home screen, tap on the plus icon at the top to create a new story. This will take you to the story creation screen. At the top of this screen you will see an option that says Templates. Tap on it, and then tap on the plus sign in the top right corner to create your own template. From here you can choose an image from your gallery to use as your background. Pick a photo that matches the idea you want to share. For example, you can use a picture of your pet, a favorite place, or even a simple solid color background. After selecting the image, tap on the Add Yours option. Here, pin the background by tapping on the background option at the bottom and then tap on Next. When everything looks good, you can choose to share the story directly with your followers, send it privately to specific people, or post it publicly to your story so everyone can join in. That is how you create an Add Yours template on Instagram. Thanks for watching.